About this item: input, AC 100 240V, 50/60 Hz, output, DC 3V 4.5V 5V 6V 7.5V 9V 12V adjustable, max 2.58 30W, it can supply with any amp less than 2.5A, such as 300 mAh, 500 mAh, 800 mAh, 1A, 1.2A, 1.5A, 1.8A, 2A, 2.1A, 2.2A, 2.4A, 2.5A. Equipped with a 5V 2.1A USB port at the bottom, you can connect any standard USB cable to it. USB cable not included. It comes with an original 5.5x 2.5mm tip, inside plus, outside dash, and 14 PCS frequently used tips, 6.5x 4.4mm and pin, 5.5x 2.1mm, 5.5x 3.0mm and pin, 5.0x 2.5mm, 6.3x 3.0mm,